FifI Cooper son. Motswaka's first lady. Kiss it. Yeah, ooh. Now I remember back in high school. Nala when I fell again, well in my baby boo. Cause you my man crush every day. Lekha bakare, we a match made in hell. You know that we don't care. Le mao baby kiddy bala khoot. I told you khore B cause I still want you boo. We yellow web, we see khobotle, it's the only truth. That's a khadi tare, lamzanyana cause that's how we do.
So, FifI.
Yes.
Tell us about the collaboration. Tell us what it's about, what the song is about.
The song, okay, let me talk about the song. The song is about like this guy that you've been with for a long time, but now you feel like he's playing games with you. You can't understand what's going on. And I think it's a cool concept because me and Reiki are both girls and I feel like we connect and we understand what we're talking about. So we had to stick to the concept, and she actually came up with the concept and I related because I was also going through almost the same thing. So it was quite easy to put the song together because also the beat was like 100% on point. So yeah, it was just like a fun thing for me.
Is it? And then fusion of the genres. What genre does Reiki sing?
It's Reiki does pop rock and I do motswako hip hop. Yeah,
It?
so Swana in the mix.
Is it?
Yes.
And 5 things people would be surprised to know about you.
5 things. I love my sleep and I don't get enough. I sleep like 2 hours because I have to be out here working, you know, hustling. And I love poppin' flays. I think every black girl does love poppin' flays. You know, that's what we grow up eating at home. And 3, you said interesting things.
Anything that people
I
wouldn't
have a
know about
son,
you.
and people don't know about that. Like, a lot of people don't believe that I have a son because, like, I'm like a mini Cooper. You know, I'm very small. So people are like, why are you lying? And what? 4th one. Let me think. Something very interesting. Oh, yes, I'm working. I'm going to have an international feature. If not on my album Deluxe, on my next album. So people are gonna really like that. It's Elki Scoop, but it's interesting. Nice gossip, make one. First one to know this. And
Who's the artist?
lastly,
Can you say?
No, I can't.
Okay.
I can't. But he's gonna take me places, because once I get that side, I must be able to represent my country. I'm a really huge fan of Nigerian music, so I think that would be my next step. Like, even with like one of my record label members, he just went straight for Wizkid because I feel like their music is very dope, and I think they've learned how to make it out there, like in like Hollywood and the States, but also we also getting there because black coffee is now like killing the international market.
And how important do you think something like Coke Studio is, getting different artists to collaborate and make obviously a different sound from what we hear?
I think that is really great, and you know, that's one thing that I appreciate the most. Like, this opportunity, I feel like a lot of rappers would want to have. Stepping out of your comfort zone just, you know, once in a while and doing something totally different. I mean, like, that's how you grow and learn as an artist. So I think Coke Studios is doing a good thing with, you know, like putting different genres together.
So you've collaborated with MT. I know there's JR, there's Questa. So any other artists like 3 artists you definitely want to work with?
Number 1, Ringo, and working also with CC, new artist at 999. And I just want to try, like, you know, the soil. I think the sound is really cool. Yeah. But, like, I'm weird, bruh. I just want to work with everyone who's talented. Yeah. I want somebody that would vibe with me. I want somebody that would ride or die with me. Now would you lie for me if I ask you to? Okay, let's play truth or dare. Do you care? Truth or dare, truth or dare. Oh, come on me, I'll show you just how I feel.